Vanakkam friends, welcome you all for our channel in which where I usually share our weekly analysis on Nifty as well as some important readings or learnings by which you can also learn markets in a simpler manner. This time I thought of asking you casting a vote and respond to the one which most of the people voted. So I have created a poll in our Telegram channel and almost 135 to 140 members have responded for that poll. They have voted. I'm not saying about the members who are viewed, I'm saying about the numbers who are voted. So first of all, my big thanks for everyone who voted for that poll and requested me a thing which they require. So out of that, the majority contribution goes to stock of my choice, TCS. That is the one which we have voted most. Once again, I thank these 136 members who have voted, and I also thank the remaining members of around 220 to 230 members who have just seen it and not even bothered to vote. Casting a vote hardly takes 2 seconds for you. 2 seconds. If those 220 to 230 people are not even bothered to spend those 2 seconds, I am 100% sure they are just time passes. They are not real traders or real investors of market. They are just time passes. I am least bothered about those guys. But I concentrate on the remaining 136 members. Okay. Now, in this poll, you have voted for stock of my choice segment, which is TCS. To be honest, I was little bit surprised to see this kind of voting. Why? Because I was thinking that you people may vote higher for a 100% strategy, success strategy in crude. But to my surprise, you have literally shocked me by giving a response of concentrate on TCS first, let crude comes next. It's a surprise for me, but still I go with your response. Now this is the TCS daily charts. After results, the stock has been beaten badly and it has dropped from nearly 4,000 odd levels till 3,400 levels. Now everyone's mindset will be like, why the stock has been hammered so much? It is quite simple that when a stock is closing below 50 moving average, it must touch or even try to touch the 200 simple moving average at least out of if you take 10 instances, you will see at least 8 instances it will take support only at 200. Before that, there is one thing called 100 moving average. Here only twice it can take support. Out of the 10 times, 2 times it can take support at 100. The same thing happened over here in TCS. It has broken the 50 moving average and then it came down all the way near 200 moving average. I was expecting that it could take support near 100 moving average and gave a golden egg for the series. But it violated my levels and it came down near 200 SMA. Now, if you see what is 200 moving average and if you see what are the earlier breakout points, it will be very surprising and very interesting for you. I have educated you people many times correlating something with Indian movies, which we people will never forget that easily. Usually I used to say the fight between hero and villain in the climax of a movie. In all the movies, if you see, hero will not react for the first kick from villain or those gundas. Okay, first time he will take the kick, second time also he will take the kick, only on the third time he will start kicking again. This is the most simplest form wherein you can consider breakouts. Same thing opened have happened here. See here, this was the earlier high in TCS way back in February 2021. Uh, Maybe February, or it might be in Jan end, I think. Just let me check the date. Yeah, it's on 25th Jan. This was the previous breakout. First attempt, hero got knocked again, came down. Second attempt, hero got knocked again, came down. Third attempt, our hero started firing. This might be crazy for you, but this is how market functions. You can take any charts. Out of the 10 charts you will see 9 times this kind of reaction only. Okay. Now it has gone from here somewhere near 3300 levels all the way till 4000 levels. Almost 4000, like 3300 and 3990, I think so. Yeah, here it is 3989.90. That was the high it has made just one day before the results. After results, it has been dragged like anything. Now, as per some interesting chart patterns which are most reliable and trustable, there are plenty of chart patterns, but very few are very reliable and trustable. Okay, I am seeing a inverse head and shoulder formation here. Half of the move is fulfilled. See here, this is one shoulder, this is the head, and then this will be the another shoulder. According to me, if this 200 moving average, this red line is the 200 moving average, that is 3310, I guess 10 or 16, I am not sure. This is the red color one which is marked over here. It has been overlapped by the line which has, yeah, 3316. 3316 is the strongest support as of now, which it will find very hard to break. But before that, the earlier breakout area of this particular red line, this line which I have drawn over here, if you see, it is 3344. Probably in a knee-jerk reaction, it could test 3344 or 335060 kind of levels, and then it will start firing on the higher side again. When it moves up on the higher side, what will be the initial target? 3711. This neckline, this place over here will be the initial target, 3711. One close about that 3711, it will easily take that stock towards 4000 odd levels. Now let us see how many days it can take to reach this particular level. Just a simple calculation. Okay, but I don't want to um, make it very complicated for you. A simple calculation which may work to a 70% extent. I would not say it will work to a 100% extent. It will be working to a 60 to 70% extent. This was the neckline which I am saying. This neckline has broken here. From here, the next day, just count how many days. This is the daily time frame candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. Okay. And if you see over here, this is a inverted hammer for you. This particular candle, the last one which it was formed on Friday. Inverted hammer. Inverted hammer. You can Google it and see. Inverted hammer is a pattern which will form either at top of a chart or at bottom of a chart. The very next day from that particular sign, inverted hammer, it will reverse the trend. That is the nature of inverted hammer. So if this is happening, I am expecting that from Monday onwards, maybe Monday it could be a knee-jerk reaction towards this particular breakout area, which I said 33344. Okay, but I don't think so it will come such drastically like that, because it is another 50 to 70 points from here. So I don't think it will come. Probably if it comes, you can add in cash segment for positional basis, or if you are willing to take a risk, you can even take it in futures with a 70-80 points stop loss on the downside for 300 to 400 points on the higher side. If you calculate the risk reward, it will be 1:5. It will be a fantastic trade if this works. See the number of days what we have calculated here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 days. So from 13 days from here on, I expect TCS to touch 3711. 13 days, you can take it as like 2 or 3 days leverage, because it should not happen exactly in 13 days. You can take a leverage of, have a leverage of 2 or 3 days. So in that case, 15 to 16 days, we can see 3711 in TCS. This is my view on TCS for very short term, which is 1 month or lesser than that. You can trade or take positions accordingly. And to be honest, don't ask any queries about TCS in our queries segment. Why? Because I have given one golden egg on TCS in November series. For all the calls which I give to my premium members, I will not be able to respond to you guys in queries group. Why? Because I have only one difference between my premium members and you, the free channel members, the target. All the others remain the same. I don't post my calls earlier to premium members and then after 30 minutes or 40 minutes to you people. Within 10 seconds, I used to post the calls, whatever I post to my members, to you in free group, just without target. So please don't ask me about TCS in our queries segment, because I will not be able to answer. Okay. And if you are a newcomer to our channel, please subscribe and stay tuned. You will get plenty of videos like this wherein you can learn markets very simple manner. And to add on one more point, for people who have voted for the strategy on crude with a 100% success ratio, almost not exactly 100, almost 100% success ratio on crude, don't worry about it. Definitely I will be posting that video in next couple of days. So don't be feeling that this guy has responded only for the topmost voted people, not for us. Definitely I will keep you responding within another couple of days. Okay. Along with this, in the description of this video I have given all our Telegram channel links. Just get subscribed or added to those particular Telegram channel links, because in YouTube video I will be able to do videos only whenever I get time during weekends or after market hours. Since being a trader, I usually trade in commodity segment also, where I will be packed till 11 o'clock in the night. So during weekdays it is highly difficult for me to post some YouTube videos, but our Telegram channel will be always active. As and when I see good messages, I used to definitely post it for you people. Thank you all. Have a good day. Bye.